fast cheetah. Oh yeah, today is Harry Potter. Here's Barney right on the front. It looks like she has brown, but I believe she has dark blue. Barney choking Hazel down here. Attention, danger, all of that in Spanish. Reference, smallpox not for children under 3 years. Ginny Weasley with Slytherin, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, and Ravenclaw with that thing around them that they all have. Isn't it? It's brown with patches, and it says Draco Dorman Noncus Totalinus or something of Azul below, if it focuses. The background is the same as Hermione and Luna. It says Wizarding World on the back. It's for 6 and up. Here's the doll Warner Bros. Wizarding World. Here's the rest you can read. You could get Harry Potter, Hermione, Granger, Ron, Dumbledore, and McGonagall, which I have, but haven't gotten yet. Harry Potter, Ginny Weasley. Ginny Weasley is Ron Weasley's younger sister and a fellow Gryffindor. During her first year, she falls victim to Tom Riddle's diary and falls under the control of the Dark Lord, isn't it? In like French or Spanish. Yeah. I think this is Spanish. Here's the doll herself. It says Harry Potter. Here it is. It says Harry Potter on the one. Here she has the same clothes as Hermione. She has pale skin, /fair, black, lightly chain shoes, grey socks, black uniform skirt. Most of this is uniform stuff. Turtleneck, grey, red, and yellow sweater, red and yellow tie, white Oxford shirt or button down, dark grey or green, light green, grey-green Ron. In the books, I believe she's described with brown eyes, but she has blue here. So she looks more like Ariel. Auburn eyebrows, light pink lips. Back here she has fiery red streaks with just auburn/red hair. Now, here she is. Oops. Right next to the other two. They have everything on them.